Welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I'll be showing you how I mix my henna gloss and other pack variation for beginners. First, we're gonna start with a quarter cup of henna for this recipe. Henna is known to improve hair growth, makes your hair thick, reduces hair loss and shedding, repairs split ends and make your hair thick, lustrous, shiny and manageable. And then I'm going to follow with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera powder, which is known to increase moisture in your hair, promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp and reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. To follow with 1 tablespoon of amla powder. Amla is great for improving healthy hair. It allows your hair to appear more glossy and shiny, strengthens hair follicles and increases blood circulation in the scalp. And then I'm going to follow with 1 tablespoon of shikakai powder. It is known for its Ayurvedic cleansing properties and natural mild foaming properties. Its benefits are it fights dandruffs, cleanses your hair and detangling of hair, nourishes your hair follicles, promotes your hair growth and soothes the scalp. So once we have all our ingredients, we're going to add some black tea, and it helps to release the Lasson dye property. And this is the consistency that I like. I don't like it too thick or too light. Then we're gonna cover it and leave it for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. It's the next day, and as you can see, the mixture has gotten darker, and that is because of the Lasson dye. Now you have 2 options. If you want a lighter henna gloss, you can add some conditioner followed with your oil of choice. For me, I'll be doing a henna pack, and I'll be adding an egg and Ayurvedic oil infusion, which is a growth oil, by just adding a few pumps to my mixture. For me, This is the perfect henna pack. I like the consistency of the mixture. To start with, you will need some gloves and an application brush. But before you start applying the henna on your hair, you will need to section your hair into smaller sections so that it's not that messy and it's more easier and manageable. I like using my fingers so that I can massage the strands of my hair and the scalp with the henna well so that it penetrates through all my hair strands. Make sure you massage your scalp to make sure it's fully saturated. Now I'm going to sit with the henna for 2 to 3 hours because I like it when the henna really darkens my hair. And then later on I'm going to wash it off using shampoo and then following it with a conditioner. And this is how my hair looks after rinsing off the henna, even before shampooing. And as you can see, my curls are tighter, bouncy, and my hair is shiny. Give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel or if you're new to my video, definitely subscribe and stay tuned to my Ayurvedic series. Bye.